Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Kate, founder of Nodo, and today we're going to make an apple cinnamon donut cake using our donut mix. So all you need to make this recipe is 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of a thick Greek style yogurt, and 3 green apples, and you just have them nicely finely diced. If you're making this recipe dairy free, then just switch out the yogurt to a coconut yogurt, like Koyo works beautifully in this recipe. So I'm just going to add the eggs, oil and yogurt. Whoop. And then just whisk those together. Okay, and then we're just going to use our flour mix from the donut blend. Pop the cinnamon sugar aside for later. Okay, and just mix that till it's well combined. Okay, the mixture's quite thick, but that's perfect. And then lastly, we're just going to fold in the diced apples. So that's all mixed together really well. So next we're going to grab our baking dish. I've just got a large loaf tin here. We're just going to add 3/4 of the mix into the tin, and then we're going to sprinkle half of our cinnamon sugar onto the batter. We're going to add the last bit of the batter on top. Finish it off by adding the rest of your cinnamon sugar onto the batter. Depending how sugary you like it, you don't have to use the whole mix. I think that's actually perfect, so I'm just going to leave that aside. And then we're going to bake it for about, say, 40 to 50 minutes at 175 degrees on a fan-forced oven. Okay, so that's been in the oven for 50 minutes because it is a large loaf. So we're just going to take that out. Beautiful. We're just going to let that cool slightly before we slice into it. So the reason why we started this YouTube channel was to give you access to recipes that are going to work every single time when you buy our flours and our blends. We also wanted to inspire you and give you a little bit of insight to the Nodo at home way. Thank you so much everybody for watching. Please click the link in the description for the full recipe, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.